Ooh. Okay, y'all, so what's up? We're back, and today I'm about to cook some shrimp Alfredo, and I just wanted to record because I haven't filmed in a couple days, and the vlog is looking a little sketchy, so we're finna cook some Alfredo. And yeah, let's just get into it. So first thing first, gotta wash your hands. Excuse my hair, y'all. It's looking real rough right now because I was trying to do something else and it didn't turn out the way I wanted, so I have to redo it. Okay, so we're finna get started. Here's our shrimp. It's already cooked that I picked up from Kroger's. And by the way, Kroger shrimp is way more expensive than Walmart. But anyways, we're gonna throw some salt on there. Probably not Cajun, probably not that. Probably a little bit of lemon pepper. Definitely some Creole, baby. And maybe some garlic powder. And that's how we're gonna do it. So we finna toss this motherfucking seasoning in here. Let me see where can I set y'all up? But anyways, this is the pasta we're using. The fettuccine. I already used it for my pasta last time. It does not take the whole box. A little bit goes a long way because you're gonna break the noodles in half. So let's get our pot out. So we could start boiling. I just got a little medium-sized pot. Okay, so we're gonna season this. We're gonna go with the garlic powder. Just a little bit because this powder is very loose. Lemon pepper. I was about to make that real hard on myself. Creole. And a little bit of salt. Really just a little bit because you don't want it to be salty. And the shrimp are still frozen because they're cooked, so I don't thaw them out before I toss them in the skillet. I like to let them cook while they're frozen so all the water gets into the butter and then, you know, it cooks it right. Okay, so yeah. Hold up. Okay, so now we're gonna get in with the pasta. And to my pasta, I add salt so that they won't stick together. That might have been a little bit too much, but whatever. Just gonna mix that in real good. And while that's boiling, we're gonna get into cooking the shrimp. Okay, so then I'm just going there with the butter into the skillet. So this is what I mean by the water will fall out and kind of cook the shrimp for you. So when the water and all of that is dried up, that's when I go in with the Alfredo sauce and chicken broth. And the pasta's still not done yet, I just checked it. So now that that's cooked, this is the type of sauce we're using today. Last time I got the 3 cheese, but today we're doing this. And I need to turn this down some more so we don't burn the sauce. Chicken noodles. A little bit longer. And yeah, we're gonna pour the sauce in. And then we'll come in with the chicken broth and mix that in. And we're literally just gonna add just a little bit of chicken broth to give it some flavor, girl. Okay, that should be good. Not a lot. And the noodles are done. Okay, so we just let this sit for a little bit so the chicken broth can mix in so it's not all soupy, you know, and runny. So just trying to mix that chicken broth in there. Mix it all in. And we're just gonna pour it on. So I'll see you guys in a second. So this is what we got here. Okay, let's eat. This bitch good. But the sauce I had made last time, I think I used a 3 cheese sauce. That's what I forgot to do. I didn't add shredded cheese to the sauce. Because last time I used a 3 cheese sauce and I put some shredded cheese in there. It was so good. I think I don't want to go back to cooked shrimp because it still have its tail on. And I don't feel like going through and picking it off before I cook it. But I've been behind on uploading and recording. There's so much other shit going on that I'm trying to get done. But I think I uploaded a pen curl video, and I'm supposed to have another video coming out today or this week. And it's real ratchet. I'm trying to fix it, but yeah, I'm supposed to have another video coming out this week. Probably a vlog. Or it might be a spicy noodle challenge. Well, anyways, y'all finna get like 3 videos back to back for like the next 4 days. Until I get caught up. But look what came in there. I did not expect these things to be this big. Like, this is bigger than my face. We got the 2-tone spicy, and I guess it's supposed to be the super, like the hottest of them all, but it doesn't say anything. I can't read it. So maybe that means it is gonna be hot. Can't wait to film that. I was gonna do it today, but I don't want to ruin my stomach or my appetite and not be able to eat anything the rest of the night. And I'm waiting on my boyfriend to do it with me. He's shaking his head, but he's gonna do it. This is so good, I might eat the whole damn pot, like right now. Bro, this is way better than the last time I cooked this. My noodles weren't all the way done. The texture of my noodles were weird, but we got it on point today. I'm gonna go ahead and just pick all these tails off. I finished this plate up. That's how you know you feel good and you ain't got a drink. Yes, honey, scrape that motherfucker. The lighting in here is terrible, but it's the best place I could find. While my phone's on the charger. That's better. Alright, get my motherfucking noodle. Bro, I'm gonna eat the whole pot right now. Big in seconds, yo. Yes. Yes, sir. Look at this. With the steam coming from that view. How the hell? If I can get this set up right, we just want to cut it. There we go. All of this might not even be in it. Anyways. That was a chunk. But yeah, y'all, I really ain't got much to talk about. It's really ain't supposed to be a mukbang. I just wanted y'all to cook with me because I was cooking and I thought, why not record it? But it's really hard for me to make a schedule when to upload and edit and stuff right now because I'm trying to get my last stuff together. But yeah, my nose starting to run. Why? I wish this was spicy. Ooh, I should have made Cajun Alfredo. We're gonna try that next time. Baby, you ain't even gotta go to Olive Garden. Pull up right here. Yeah, I don't have nothing to talk about. I just want to cook with y'all like I said. So I'll see you guys in my next video. And thank you for watching. And yeah, deuces.